My family, we are here with Subway Surfers, a Christmas one.
Oh yeah, sorry for saying that now. What's up, guys? It's Marissa.
Top of the morning. Top of the morning. My name is Landon Witcher.
Top of the morning.
Top of the morning. My name is Landon Witcher, and we are back with Subway Surfers.
This is Marissa Witcher. Playing
Subway Surfers.
Subway Surfers, the Christmas one. Yes, I only have one copy because I downloaded this like a couple weeks ago. So it's taking me a long time.
I know what to do.
I know I hate it. But no, you have to go this way. No, you have to go this way.
What if I don't want to go this way?
But I'm really not, okay? You can even ask my brother. Right. Oh my gosh, why is he taking that?
He's probably dead.
Probably dead.
See, watch.
Oh my
Dumb little bell. Dang it.
Raining outside. Can I come over?
Dang it.
Why is he taking that? Ooh, he might be dead.
They're like, why hasn't he texted me back?
Let's see. Yeah, tap. Why hasn't he texted me back? Oh, I'm going over there, girl.
I gotta save up for 30 keys.
Why?
I'm getting another.
This guy? Oh, with the butt.
Yeah,
Racket.
that's not big.
Yeah,
He's only 0 keys.
I know, he's very cool.
What is that? It's my phone cord. My battery going low.
Where? It really is.
No, it's on this movie thing.
I have to be texting back.
No, on this movie thing, this guy. I mean, on this video, this guy's like, oh, so now you have your phone out. So
now you have
your phone out.
So?
Hey,
I'm next to you.
what? Go, bring it up here. Your parents gotta come get it now. What? You think you getting my phone? You probably just lost your goddamn mind. Did you pay these phone bills? No. And plus, you have your phone out all the time. I am an adult. Oh no, ain't nobody want to hear that. Like that tattoo on your shoulder. We're never getting older.
Really singing the best voice.
Alright guys, goodbye.